how to download all your Snapchat memories at once. So just go into your settings, which is found in the top left corner, and then the top right, which is the cog button. That's where you can find your settings. Once you're there, just go ahead to your data. You can find this by scrolling down, depending on your version, but usually it's found in the My Data section, or it should just show up in the main settings screen. In our case, it's at the very bottom where it says My Data. Then you should be able to see the export your memories option for the very first option. So just go ahead and check that on, and you can see the request only memories option. So that's how you'll start the export or download. So just go ahead and choose all time since you want to download all your memories. Then just go ahead and press and submit, and then it should just go to your email. So just go ahead and confirm your email address. So your account or your data, export a copy of content in your Snapchat account to back it up. So download your data for the specifics. But that's pretty much how you can export your Snapchat memories at once. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.